To set your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to play a sound when you do touch interaction, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find sound and vibration. Tap sound and vibration. Tap system sound. Under sound section, tap the gray on offset next to touch interaction until the switch turns blue to turn it on. With this option is on. Now when you do touch interaction like this, your phone will play the sound theme you select on the system sound theme. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.